The Owen James Report is brought to you by
NCB, your business banking partner. To help your business grow, sometimes you just need a little hand to give you the extra support you need to achieve your business goals. Your business will need access to a wide variety of loans, electronic banking solutions, and reduced fees. That's why at NCB, we are there for you, no matter what business you're in. And we'll stand behind you every step of the way to help your business reach its full potential. NCB, your business banking partner.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Against the background of weak domestic demand as well as a slowdown in global economic growth, the Bank of Jamaica is projecting weak growth for the Jamaican economy in the remaining quarters of the fiscal year. Here's Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter speaking at his quarterly briefing today.
In the context of the forecast for continued weakness in domestic and global demand, as well as the austere fiscal policy, the bank is projecting that output growth will remain weak for the remaining quarters of the fiscal year. In particular, growth for the September quarter is expected to be largely similar to that of the June quarter. As such, the full fiscal year is projected to be relatively flat.
The Bank of Jamaica spent an average of almost $45 million monthly within the first fiscal quarter, April to June, to compensate for higher net demand for current account transactions. Now, this accelerated to $56 million in July. However, the central bank governor is confident of a reversal of this trend once IMF-induced investor confidence returns to the market.
Investor confidence will begin to improve once stakeholders are able to assess the performance and the implications of the full range of measures that began with the recent budget exercise. Improved investor confidence and official inflows unlocked by an agreement between the government and the International Monetary Fund later in the year should contribute to a recovery in the net international reserves to the level that it was at the start of the fiscal year.
News on the market now, and following yesterday's falls in the stock market indices, stock prices generally rebounded today, resulting in modest gains in the indices. 24 stocks traded, with 12 advancing, 7 declining, and 2 holding firm. Sagicor Life Jamaica accounted for 74% of the 3.9 million shares traded. Now, winners included Berger, Cable and Wireless, Caribbean Cement, D&G, Lasco Distributors, NCB, Scotia Group, Scotia Investments, and Trinidad Cement. The losers included Carreras, Gleaner, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, and Kingston Wharves. Now, finally, the Jamaican dollar had mixed fortunes on the foreign exchange market today. Both the US dollar and the British pound strengthened against it, whilst the Canadian dollar weakened. The benchmark American dollar gained 1 cent Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $89.77, whilst the British pound jumped by 61 cents to close at a new high of $142.14. However, the Canadian dollar weakened by 2 cents Jamaican to close at $90.59. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by
NCB, your business banking partner.